Here's a new 2019 Honda CR-V. Welcome to what feels like home. It's sleek-looking, fuel-efficient, and roomy enough for family and cargo. It comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual-zone climate control, streaming audio, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, driver memory seats, power heated mirrors, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.